11 superfood snacks that can help with weight loss. Healthy snacks made with superfoods. Snacking is often considered a calorie dense and unhealthy fat affair that leads to weight gain and obesity. Here are some healthy superfood snacks that are delicious and can also help shed extra belly fat. Hummus with veggies. Hummus is a great source of plant-based protein and is also rich in calcium, iron, folate, zinc, and vitamin B. When consumed with fiber-rich veggies like carrots, bell pepper, carrot chips. Baked carrot chips are healthier than fried ones and have a rich amount of vitamin A and C and fiber. Apple with nut butter. It is a nutrient-packed, low-calorie and fiber-rich treat that is loaded with healthy fats and protein too, and can be consumed as a pre or post workout snack as well. Pan fried cottage cheese, also known as paneer bhurji, that is a protein packed dish that can be clubbed with toast as a filling snack meal. Greens smoothie. The use of greens like spinach, kale, and chard for smoothie makes it a nutritious drink that is rich in healthy fats, fiber, carbs, and proteins. Chia seeds pudding. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein, which improve digestion and increase satiety. Greek yogurt perfect. Greek yogurt is a high protein snack item that can help stabilize blood sugar levels and control cravings. One can even add fruits and nuts to enhance the nutritional value of the snack. Avocado toast. Avocado is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids that help delay hunger and avoid overeating, which further helps with weight loss. Chicken salad. Salad made with blanched and shredded chicken pieces, olive oil, nuts, greens, and seeds is a low-calorie, fiber-rich, and protein-rich dish that can be served as an evening snack. Roasted peanuts. Roasted peanuts with zero oil and seasoned with ground spices make this easy and simple snack. Quinoa chaat. Made with boiled quinoa. It is an evening snack that is rich in nutrients and high in taste as well. Quinoa is rich in vitamins, minerals, plant compounds, and antioxidants, which makes it a weight loss friendly